This chapter explains how to use the controller to control beam lights and LED lights. First of all, how to turn on the lights. Once the light fixture is selected, press the locate button on the controller. This way will turn on the lights quickly. Some attributes will appear at the bottom of the screen, such as dimming, position, global, color, and so on. If we switch to different attributes, there will be different content options, such as dim, shutter. There are for context. In fact, it corresponds to the wheel B, C, D on the controller. We use different wheels to control the attributes of different area. Let's say I'm in dimming. There's dim and shutter. I have to use wheel B to adjust the shutter. To modify the attributes of fixture, we can switch between different attributes area here, such as position, pan, and tilt. And then global, color dot, we have to switch to a different attributes area first. Then we use the corresponding wheel to adjust its parameter. But let's remember, it has to be on this value layer, and there's a link right here. When clicked, it will have different options, such as link all activations, link all, link activation feature, link feature, and so on. We generally use this link a single attribute. Only in the case of link a single attribute, we can turn the wheel to adjust the value. Please note if you're using the wheel, at first it worked, then it didn't. First, you have to check if it is in the value layer. The second, if it is in the right attributes. The third, if it is in link a single attribute. Press the clear button on the controller to turn off the light fixture. Above is the easiest way to turn on the fixture. The second way to turn on the fixture is by the button on the console on the left of VSC button. Press the button on controller on the left of VSC. Brightness command line appears at the bottom of the screen. There's an all arrow in the back. Here you can set the brightness percentage when the light is on. If the brightness is 50%, we can type 50 on the keyboard and press enter. At this time, switch to the dimming attributes. We can see that the dimming value from 255 changed to 127.5. If we want all fixtures quickly turn on with full brightness, we can double-click a button. In the lower right corner of the screen, we can see the locate home position. For example, I have adjusted the light outlet position of the lamp. Did I accidentally turn off the light or press the clear button? I won't use the same light again. I hope the light's still in the same outlet position as before. Then we can click locate home position, so the light fixture will light up when we clear it last time. The above are some general operations to control the beam light with the controller. Please note that we are using an emulator and do not need to open the light, but the lighting on site is different. After press locate, we have to click control on attributes, then select reset, click light on. The following explains how to control LED light on controller, such as color attributes. We have a quick way to adjust the color. First select fixtures, then press locate button on controller. There are special dialogues in the lower right corner of the screen. Click on it. There are many preset color blocks. We can choose which one we need to quickly change LED light's color. This shortcut is only available for lamps with RGB or CMY channels. For example, beam lamp without RGB and CMY channel. Then we can use this preset color blocks to change its color. There is cool plate next to the color preset. I can click and drag to change the color of the light. The above is about using the controller to control the LED lights.